Welcome back, good friends. We have this brand new C8 Corvette delivered and prepped. And we're getting it ready for a track pack. What's a track pack? It's going to be protection, combining PPF or paint protection film, and we use Steck, and our polysilazane coating. We're going to be doing the whole front clip, headlights. We're going to do the lower rockers, and we're going to do a little bit of the quarter panel and mirrors. So let's get started. We have the hood prepped. And we have a little bit of a 60-inch roll left over, so we're going to do a bulk application to the hood here. That means we just cut a sizable sheet right off the roll and lay it down on the hood and do our own custom cutting after we tack down the film. I like to do it this way anyway, and since we had the extra film, instead of blowing up a pattern off the plotter, we'll just use the excess here and use it up and get a nice custom cut, which means we're going to leave an overlap of about a ½ inch, quarter inch to wrap around all of the edges and the corners and have this hood completely covered with no lines whatsoever. Once all of the slip solution has been squeegeed out, we can start to do the trimming. A nice sharp edged knife made just for PPF. We'll slice away any excess, just leaving us, again, quarter of an inch to a ½ inch to wrap around. After the trimming, it's time to dry out the overhang and wrap it around the edges with the assist of sometimes the air chuck and the air compressor with just very light pressure, and then followed up with a heat gun. As you can see, a very nice clean install when you do a bulk installation, wrapping around, no lines, and all of the edges are protected as well. We're going to jump over onto the fenders. We're working our way from top to bottom. If it was a full body coverage, we'd start at the roof, work down the pillars and the hood and the trunk, and etc. With the fenders, that's going to be done with the assist of a plotter. So with a program that communicates with the plotter, we can cut out our own pieces and customize anywhere we really want to. We can blow up the pattern, we can shrink the pattern, we can use a section of the pattern, and really customize our installs. And we're going to wrap around every edge that we can. Sometimes we do minor disassembly. Major disassembly is not recommended, especially with a new car and working with warranties and voided warranties. But we pick and choose what we will disassemble. Passenger side fender is finished. Doesn't take long. Time to jump over to the driver's side. And what we're doing now is spraying on our slip solution, which is simply a mixture of J&J, Johnson & Johnson's baby shampoo, and water. And what that does is it floats the film on top of the panel. Doesn't let the adhesive make contact with the surface, so we can adjust. Alignment is key and really important for a clean install. So you want to be quick, but take your time and do your alignment and tack points first, and then you can get the center of the panel. And that gives you time to get the center of each panel. And then you can simply squeegee out all of that Johnson & Johnson shampoo. The adhesive makes contact, and the film adheres to the panel. We're finished with the fender. We go to the front bumper. We're again working our way down from the top of the vehicle. We customize any area of coverage that you would like here at Apex Detail. We customize for the owner's wishes and needs, and then also the budget as well. So we could take a track pack and customize that. So there's partial coverages, maybe just a bumper or hood. Then there's the track pack. So the entire front clip, including headlights, fog lights, any trim, lower quarter panel, and rear quarter panel, and sometimes the wing in the back. You can also add to that. You can add a door. You can add a door and the roof. You could do a 3/4 body install, or go for the works and get the full body install. We do all of that here. Clear film, we do matte, we do cosmetic film. Any protective film you can think of on any vehicle, we can take care of you. For our clear installs, we use the Steck Dyno Shield, and that will provide a premium top coat. of PPF. It has a nano-ceramic top coat and also has a self-healing top coat. If you get minor bumps and bruises and maybe swirls, pull it out into direct sunlight or get out a heat gun or hair dryer and watch the imperfections magically disappear. And we're all set. The only thing I really couldn't get footage was the lower rocker panels. Not much to see there, and a little bit of the rear quarter panel and some of the trim. Other than that, we finish up with coating everything with our polysilazane coating, which has a high temperature and abrasion threshold, and does an excellent job with chemical resistance. And this C8 is ready to enjoy and will be protected for years to come, and it will be maintained by us as well. Really, the owner, all he has to do is enjoy it and worry about safe wash processes. I was happy to take you along for the ride today. This has been Brian from Apex Detail. Catch you in the next video.